Looking for a baby shower theme that feels warm, rustic, and close to nature? A woodland baby shower brings the charm of the forest indoors with cozy textures, cute animals, and earthy details. From decor to desserts, this theme is magical, timeless, and perfect for celebrating new life. Let's explore woodland baby shower ideas that will wow your guests. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a great favor idea? Give guests candles, seed packets, or mini succulents in woodland-themed packaging. Add cute animal tags with messages like, "Thanks a ton, little one." Favors thoughtful? Like this if your gifts spread nature's joy. What invitations fit a woodland theme? Use designs with foxes, bears, or owls alongside trees and leaves. Natural textures, like craft paper or watercolor artwork, bring the theme to life. Invites with charm? Like this if your theme starts with the male. What food works for a woodland shower? Serve s'mores bars, trail mix, and bear claw pastries. Add themed labels like fox snacks or owl treats to keep it playful and creative. Menu with charm? Like this if your food feels fun and fitting. What centerpieces fit woodland decor? Use mason jars with wildflowers, wood slices topped with lanterns, or mini animal figurines. These create natural charm while keeping tables cozy. Tables styled? Like this if your centerpieces feel rustic and sweet. What about outdoor woodland showers? Perfect. Host in a garden or park with picnic tables, lanterns, and greenery. Outdoor spaces naturally enhance the woodland theme with fresh air. Outdoors magical? Like this if nature adds to your celebration. How do I keep the atmosphere balanced? Mix playful animal accents with elegant greenery. Keep decor warm and inviting so the space feels festive but not overcrowded. Balance achieved? Like this if your shower feels cozy and fun. How do I create a woodland backdrop? Set up faux trees, balloon garlands in green and brown, or a welcome baby wooden sign. Add plush animals for a photo-ready rustic display. Backdrop set? Like this if your wall feels straight out of the forest. How do I choose a woodland theme palette? Stick with earthy greens, browns, and creams. Add soft touches of orange or gold to mimic the cozy look of a forest in autumn or spring. Palette picked? Like this if your colors feel fresh and natural. How do I add cozy textures to the space? Use plaid blankets, burlap runners, and wood crates. Natural textures add warmth and help the space feel like a woodland retreat. Textures just right? Like this if your space feels rustic and cozy. Can I include games with a woodland twist? Yes, try scavenger hunts, woodland trivia, or name the baby animal. Fun, themed games keep guests engaged and bring laughter to the event. Games on point? Like this if your shower feels lively and fun. Can I add personalized details? Yes, use banners with baby's name, animal cutouts, or custom signs. Personal touches make the shower more meaningful and connected to the family. Details with love, like this if your decor feels unique and warm. How do I style the dessert table? Highlight a rustic cake decorated with trees, mushrooms, or woodland animals. Surround it with cookies, cupcakes, and forest-inspired sweets. Desserts delightful? Like this if your table feels magical. A woodland baby shower is rustic, cozy, and filled with natural charm. With earthy colors, cute animals, and thoughtful touches, it creates a celebration that feels magical and welcoming. Celebrate baby surrounded by the beauty of the forest and the warmth of loved ones. Inspired by these ideas? Like and check back for more creative shower themes.